Hello everyone. For my open category badge, I have chosen to create a Kahoot. So I would like to share with you my Kahoot on practice with linear equations. I am going to choose the player versus player classic mode, and we will get this started. The Kahoot pin that the player would put in is 5922555. Press enter on their cell phone. Then they'll ask for a nickname. I'll just put in my name and ready to go here. And the teacher would choose the start key here on their screen. And we would see the beginning. First question, solve the equation. I'm going to give an example here. Choosing the correct answer on the key. I did leave this one at quite a lengthy time for students who are just learning this and would actually need to compute this and would take a little bit longer. I'll go ahead and click the answer. Shows that there was one player and got that one correct. Now we're going to identify the variable in the equation shown. This one just 10 seconds right here. There were no points awarded for this question, so you'll see that the points awarded for that question are 0. We are on our second of 5, and here we go. Select the balance equation. This one also has a video with it.
How do we avoid getting an equation out of balance? The key is that whenever we make a change to an equation, we have to make the exact same change on both sides.
All right, so now the 20 seconds start, and we'll pick the balanced equation here. This one was worth 500 points, which brings my total to 600. Next question. Which equation could be used to solve this real-world situation? Again, this one has a lengthier time on it. I'm going to go ahead and choose an incorrect answer and see to show you what the result would be. Tells them that they were so close. Incorrect answer. Still that I'm in first place here. My total points, and shows the correct answer. Choose the equation that will solve this real-world situation. Okay, we'll go ahead and click the answer. Correct. Shows that it's the end of the game. We have 5 out of 5 players. We're going to get our results here. And we have the choice to play again our new game. So that is the Kahoot. Thank you.